All right, quick video of my wife's Cayenne 2011 base model. I changed the air filter, and I'm just going to give you a fair warning. After you replace it, there's plenty of videos on how to replace it. I'm not doing that, but I'm giving you a fair warning that this part here, if you notice, this one's missing. I come to find out that it's very easy to lose it, and somewhere in the gates of hell, it's gone. But I bought this part from Roger at 928, my favorite parts guy. And when I called him, funny story, I told him about changing the air filter and stuff. And he goes, "What, did you lose the clip? It's on the right side." And I'm like, "How'd you know?" And he goes, "I just did it yesterday on my 2014. He goes, "I got good news and bad news. Which do you want first?" I said, "Well, just go ahead and give me the bad news." And he says, "Well, the Porsche part is $600. And I'm like, "Do what?" And he goes, "But you can buy the Volkswagen part for like $2 or $2 to $5, whatever." I said, "Well, that price, give me two." But anyways, I'm pretty sure it's straightforward. You just put it in, lock it in. These are pretty tight. I don't think I need to show that part of the video, but I thought the most important part was the part number, and you can get the Volkswagen Touareg version for pennies on the dollar compared to the Porsche part. So words of wisdom, I don't know, put down a towel or something when you're doing the filter change, because this part is easier to lose. I'm not the only one. Anyways, enjoy. So I had to bend these out just a hair, these legs at the bottom right here. And once you get that in, should be able to fit in. So it's a little bit of a custom job there. But if you don't do that, you might be able to get it in if you take the whole apparatus off, but I'm not doing that. And it's slightly different, obviously, and looks like it's gonna hold in. Oop, looky there, slid out. So that's why I bought another one, but it's holding in place. And like I said, probably can monkey with it some more. I'm not done yet, but you're gonna have to make some adjustments. It's not for the same part, or it's not for the Porsche, it's for the Volkswagen.